Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How is everyone doing today? How are you doing? Yeah, hope everyone is fine. Hope everyone is trying their best, washing their hands regularly with soap, use alcohol-based sanitizer, and let us stay at home to prevent the spread of this deadly coronavirus. Your health is your wealth. Let us guard our health very, very well, and let us do what is supposed to be done to cap down the spread of this deadly virus. That was proudly brought to you by the Roy Club community, and it is a community that cares for the health of everyone. That's why we take time. Part of our videos meant to advertise the club and remind everyone to stay healthy and to stay safe. Today we are still with the Roy Club community, and the Roy Club community has not changed. It is still dealing with the profitable Prism cryptocurrency, and it is the passive income movement. Passive income is basically money you can earn at the comfort of your home. So as we are staying indoors, as we are staying at home to stop the spread of the coronavirus, we can also work and earn from home, courtesy of the Roy Club community, courtesy of the Prism cryptocurrency. And those are ways that I've come here today to discuss with you, to share some information with you about, especially the cryptocurrency called the Prism cryptocurrency. Whoever is tuning in for the first time and they don't know what cryptocurrencies are, brief introduction is cryptocurrencies are online money that you can have on your account over the internet. It is money that it's not like banks where you take cash and they convert it to your balance. No, you earn cryptocurrencies. You earn online money, like the coins are there on the internet on your account, and you can access them anytime you feel like. Those are cryptocurrencies, and the one that Roy Club deals with is the Prism cryptocurrency. Prism cryptocurrency is a new cryptocurrency that was launched on the 17th of February 2017. Very recent. It is very, very profitable. That is why a large community of people who deal with cryptocurrencies is now forming around the Prism cryptocurrency. Prism cryptocurrency is a fully decentralized and self-regulated electronic currency that allows any user to quickly and reliably make money transfers. The factors for generating coins are paramining and then forging. Paramining, as we said in earlier videos, is where new coins are created from storing coins at an address. Therefore, when there is at least one coin in the wallet, new ones begin to be generated. Paramining is basically like a thank you token for storing Prism in your wallet. Once you have Prism stored in your wallet, you start to receive new coins courtesy of the paramining percentage. This is passive income. It does not need your active involvement. You don't need to be there to witness money being added to your account. Just go to bed, wake up the next day, and you'll have a profit of up to 0.61 daily profit and 20% profit per month of the coins you have stored in your wallet. So the more coins you have stored in that wallet, the higher the rate of paramining and the more passive income you'll earn. The other is forging, and forging is basically when you accumulate very many coins, it gives you a right of forging. For example, when you accumulate very many Prism coins or like cryptocurrencies have forging, and forging is the creation of a blockchain where transactions are recorded. Now, cryptocurrencies they do not have like a centralized bank or a government that does what? That regulates them. So on the internet, there are people who write blocks there are people who write transaction blocks, and in these transaction blocks, that is where the transactions are recorded. So that is forging. And the block with the more work in it, more computations, is the trusted block. Basically, that is what forging is. So for you to earn a right to write blocks onto which other people's transactions will be registered, to keep record, to keep balance, to make sure that if someone sends money, it leaves their account and the other one gets the money. So it's like regulating what? It's a regulating criteria. That is forging. And for you to start creating blockchains where transactions are recorded, you have to first accumulate many coins through the paramining of the Prism cryptocurrency, and then you can start off with forging. So we shall go into the details of forging later on, but the advantages of Prism are the passive income through the paramining, and then Prism is a very safe and profitable cryptocurrency. It has fixed and minimal commissions of around 0.5% on the transactions, and these transactions can be carried out anytime. Anytime you want to withdraw your Prism and spend it, you can access it.